Division with a bar model. Division with a bar model is a difficult idea when your number set is large. So I suggest using a smaller number set. The number set we're going to use is 12 divided by 3. You can use a bar model either by partitioning or by iterating. To iterate, you would want students to think I have 12 of something and I'm going to group them by 3. So I'm going to make equal scoops of 3. So having them iterate a specific amount of space until they get to 12 is how you would show a bar model with iteration. Each one of my iterations is worth 3 because I'm scooping 3 things out of my 12. And then they would come to find that 4 iterations of 3 would give you the 12. So my answer then is how many iterations did I make to get there? 1, 2, 3, and 4. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Another way to make a bar model, to show division, would be to create space that has all 12 of my objects shown. I then would again group them into groups of 3. One group, second group, a third group, and the fourth group. Again, showing that each of these has 3 units within its larger group. I would then count how many groups I have total for my answer. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 groups. So 12 whole things divided into groups of 3 would give me 4 equal groups. Another way to show partitioning and division on a bar model is again to have all of your partitioned spaces and then to do a dealing. If you have objects, you could hand the objects to each of your groups. I'm going to think in my head I have 12 people or 12 cards and I have 3 people playing my game. So how many cards will each of my 3 people get? I'm going to give each person in round 1 a card. I then am going to go back around the table and each person is going to get another card. I see that I have more cards that I can give out. So everyone would get another. And then looking, I have 3 left. So then each person would get a last card. To find my answer, I then look to see how many went to each person or each color. In this case, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 cards that went to each person. Again, 12 divided into 3 gives me 4.